What's going on, awesome people? On this week's episode, we get to clean up the yard. I know it's going to kind of be hard to tell here, but we have a bunch of limbs down, a bunch of little stuff all over the entire yard. You can see one there, one there, but the yard's covered. There's Tony. She just went back in the house because we're trying to let us have a little privilege today and letting her chill on the closed-in porch. So she's gonna drool everywhere. She's got her water bowl that she's done spilt. She's got her own Lesco blower fan. Trying to keep her out a little bit, but oh wait, here's a Tony. Here's a Tony. But the fun part about today is what I'm fixing to show you, which is horrible, that I got to clean up. Obviously, we got our flagpole took a fall, which cannot be put back up. Yeah, it gone. But we get to clean up this monstrosity today. But that'll be a little bit later. It come out of the top of that tree right there, which we're gonna pull the other camera out here in a little bit when we start working on that, where we can do a little better job zooming. But we get to play yard cleanup and drive the golf cart. So give me a second to get everything set up and we'll get rolling. And she's off. Like a speed demon. Look at her go. Ding, ding, ding. So, in our amazing wisdom today, we were actually going to go hiking, but, well, let's just say,
so what do I need to do?
The storm on Thursday kind of, did it click? You're good.
Okay, so I need to turn it off?
Yeah. Hear the whiny old lettuce over there? Yeah, this is the remnants of the junk we get to clean up from the storm on Thursday. Fun times, fun times. Safety glasses, ear protection, just because I don't want nobody to say nothing. Although nobody comments anyway, so it's not that big of a deal. But because it is going on YouTube, I figured I'd play it safe. Vroom, vroom. Well, I have to go get chainsaw gas. It happens. But we're off to see the in-laws real quick to see if they got any before I run to the hardware store. Who knows? So, Tony's driving. And now, we are on the way to the garden. Mom and Dad's big old garden. Corn's about done. The rest of it's starting to come in, but we've got a bunch of tomatoes. And it's been good. The difference from living where we are, to living where we were, to living where we are now. This is all family land right here. That house over there is Aunt Doris's house. Mom and Dad's flowers that y'all seen last week. That's their house up there. Obviously our house over there. And we're pulling up the house in the garage. But we'll see y'all soon.
You will never cease to be beside me, constant, not dependent on what I see. And I can always trust you know what I need. And now I know that I can trust you rightly. And you came through the sky like you opened blind eyes. So I'm giving you right, no more looking behind. You are good, you are kind, you can have all my life. I'm yours, you are mine. My miracle, you opened my eyes. Every day brings new life when I'm by your side. When I'm by your side. Forever, Lord, your love will always be the same. I know that your faithfulness will never change. I'm trusting in the way that you provide for me today. What more can I say? Lift my hands and pray. I know you will always be enough. Always fill my cup. Looked around the world to find a love that's something like your love, but I couldn't find anything even close. Anywhere that I go, everywhere now I know you will always have my heart. My miracle, you opened my eyes. Every day brings new life when I'm by your side. When I'm by your side. So good, you always are so good. Yeah, you will never fail me, you will never fail me. You will never fail me, you will never fail me. Yeah, you will never fail me, you will never fail me. You will never fail me, you will never fail me. You will never fail me, you will never fail me.
And alrighty folks, just like that, the tree is gone. Just Miss Tony. But that's where the top of that thing come from. But anyway, I'm not gonna say that's gonna do it, but that's it for this tree. And we just go get some Sonic.
Yeah, because we haven't eaten anything all day, and it's like I can't tell what time o'clock, but
It's time to
probably
eat.
after 3.
So we're gonna grab this leaf blower. We're gonna blow off, and then we're gonna take off to Sonic. We'll probably pick y'all back up here in just a little bit. Well, we back at the yard again. It finally cooled off enough to get back out here and start picking up the rest of these limbs. But anyway, that's really about it. So I don't think y'all really care to see us pick up a whole bunch of limbs. I mean, I'll be honest with you, I don't care to pick them up. But
The lawnmower don't need to run over them.
yeah, like she said, the lawnmower don't need to run over them. And it makes the yard look like poop. So, but for now, I guess that's where we're gonna love yous and leave you if I can find Tony in the background somewhere over here. May put in some racing footage or something, I don't know. Might get Tony to go zoom again with the golf cart, but we'll see. But anyway, like I said, this is where we're gonna love you and leave you. So remember, God loves you, we love you. And remember, if you can't hug somebody, at least smile and wave. And just for anybody that wants to know, go dogs.